Heat is one of the most essential forms of energy that sustains life on Earth. Without heat from the sun, our planet would be frozen, making it impossible for humans, animals, and plants to survive. It regulates temperature, supports weather patterns, and enables vital processes like photosynthesis, which provides oxygen and food. In our daily lives, heat plays a crucial role in cooking food, keeping our homes warm, and powering many industrial processes that drive modern civilization. Beyond survival, heat is a key driver of technology and innovation. From generating electricity in power plants to fueling engines and transportation, heat energy is at the core of many systems we rely on every day. Even in medicine, heat is used in therapies and sterilization to protect health. As we continue to develop sustainable energy solutions, understanding and harnessing heat efficiently becomes more important than ever for building a better future.